Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on crypto. Calm. First, ensure your crypto. Calm account is fully set up and verified. Next, you'll need to fund your account using Canadian dollars. You can typically do this via Interac e-transfer or a bank transfer. Once your funds are available, open the crypto. Calm app and navigate to the main screen to find the buy option. Now tap on the buy button and search for USD in the list of cryptocurrencies. Once selected, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of USD you want to purchase. You can input a specific dollar amount or a specific quantity of USD. Then, choose your Canadian dollar balance as the payment method for this transaction. Before finalizing, a summary of your purchase will appear. Take a moment to carefully review all the details, including the amount of USD, the price, and any associated fees. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm the purchase. Your newly acquired USD will then be deposited into your crypto. Calm wallet, usually within a few moments. When buying USD, always be aware of the transaction fees, which can vary. It's also wise to consider the current market conditions to make an informed decision. Finally, always ensure you are using a secure and private internet connection when conducting financial transactions on your mobile device to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.